If the brake light is flashing while driving, it indicates that the brake fluid is slightly low. At the top of the brake fluid reservoir, there is a sensor that causes the brake warning light to go on whenever the brake fluid level is low. Since the brake warning light flashed for a second or so while driving and did not stay on continuously, the brake fluid level must be just slightly low. You probably noticed the light flashing when you drove over a dip or bump. This caused the brake fluid in the reservoir to slosh, and for a second, the fluid was not in contact with the sensor. Consequently, the warning light came on. To fix this, buy yourself a can of high-quality brake fluid. The specification is found written on the cap of the fluid reservoir. Usually, a DOT3 or DOT4. Carefully add a fluid, just enough up to the maximum level of the brake fluid reservoir. Do not leave the brake fluid reservoir open any longer than necessary. Doing so will cause the brake fluid to become contaminated by moisture in the air, and this will then lead to a whole slew of new problems.